Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing a topic that many men occasionally wonder about: how to increase penis size. This is a common question that I often receive. Although it may sound a bit sensitive, I want you to understand that there is no need to worry or feel embarrassed about it. Let's explore this topic in the most comfortable and realistic way possible. 1. Understanding penis size. Before discussing methods, we need to understand the average size of a penis. Research shows that the average length of a penis is around 13.2 centimeters, 5.2 inches, when erect. And if your size is a little longer or shorter than this, don't worry because it's completely normal. What matters most is how you feel about your body, not the absolute numbers. After all, most women report that they are satisfied with their partner's size, whether it's long or short. So, there's no need to obsess over this. 2. Concerns about size. Many men worry about their size, even though everything is actually fine. This feeling is called penis size anxiety, and it's not rare. This can lead to feelings of insecurity and sometimes affect your sex life and relationships. However, you need to realize that this feeling can be addressed and doesn't always reflect reality. 3. Methods to change penis size. Here are a few methods you might consider if you feel the need. However, remember that not all methods will result in long-term or safe results. Non-surgical methods. Psychological counseling. The first thing you can do is consult a psychologist. Sometimes, anxiety about penis size stems from psychological factors, and talking to a professional can help relieve a lot of that stress. Penis extender devices. Some people turn to penis extender devices. These tools can help elongate the penis a little when used correctly and consistently over a long period of time. However, the results may be modest, about 1 to 2 centimeters. Penis pump devices. A vacuum pump can also temporarily increase size. However, this effect is not permanent and only provides a temporary change, not a long-term improvement. Injectable drugs. There are some injectable treatments that can increase penis size, but I must warn you that this method is not safe and can cause many complications. If you're considering this, make sure to consult with a doctor thoroughly. Surgical methods. Ligament cutting. This surgical method can increase the penis length by cutting the ligament that attaches the penis to the pelvic bone. However, this method may not provide long-lasting results and could have health risks. You should weigh the pros and cons carefully before making any decisions. Grafting tissue or skin. Tissue or skin grafting surgeries can also increase penis size, but they come with many risks and are not the best option. Be sure to thoroughly research before considering any surgery. 4. The importance of professional advice. Before deciding to undergo any method, the most important thing is to consult with a healthcare professional. They will help you understand your options and find the best solution for you. In fact, sometimes the issue isn't the size, but rather the confidence and comfort you feel in a relationship. Moreover, if you're concerned about your size, it's a good idea to see a psychologist. They can help you overcome anxiety and help you gain a more positive perspective on your body. 5. Accepting and loving yourself. Finally, the most important thing is to learn to love and accept your body. Your penis is a unique part of your body, specially designed just for you. There will certainly be more important factors than size to help you build a happy and fulfilling relationship. Always remember that confidence doesn't come from size, but from how you feel about yourself and the love you have for your partner. I wish you confidence and happiness with what you have. Thank you for spending your time with me today as we explored a topic that's personal, yet very real. Life isn't perfect and neither are we, but it's in that imperfection where our unique beauty shines through. If something is on your mind, remember, you're not alone. Ask, share, and never feel ashamed of the very human questions that live inside you. Learn to love your body, honor your honest emotions, and if you can slow down just a little to appreciate the incredible person you already are, we are here to talk with you, to listen with you, and to grow with you no matter your age. See you in the next video on LIVEYOUNGLIVEHAPPY, where honest conversations have no limits.